Well, hopefully you guys have got your coffee and you got 10 minutes so we can just see what OG RAThbun's up to today. Well, it's starting to warm up around here finally. Hey, I wanted to show you what I've been up to. Gonna be a very short video, but I've been doing a few things that I found kind of fun to do. Well, one thing is I added an air hose. I stretched it across the roof. Didn't really want, if I was younger, I'd have went inside the roof and done it. But I don't crawl very good anymore. But we got this here, and this works. This is very handy now. It's right over the table. It's where everything was supposed to have been when I designed the house, but they didn't do it. You guys remember the big sucker. That sucks all the dust up. That's working really great. But now then, I can take this little hose right here, and I can, if I'm working on anything down there, I can nail stuff up. I can also take it all the way down here and hook it to the air table. So when we put the bike on there and just air it right up without having to stretch out the hose over there. Just it makes things a little handier. Another thing we did is I was on the internet and I seen this guy had what he called a wire tie cannon. And all it was pipes like this. I think they were metal, and you just put your wire ties in there, different size. I thought, well, that's a lot better than having them in a drawer. So I built that, because I had all these pieces of pipe. I had to glue some together, but it ain't like if they're holding anything up. You just drop in a tie in there, each size. I got to go get some more. I only don't have all the sizes, but you drop them in there like that. The different sizes you have. Like so. Whoop, them go over here. As you can see, they're different heights for different sizes. And I only got one of them, but that goes down there. So we'll have, I got to pick up a couple more sizes, a few more. But that's going to be kind of cool. Just put them there and you get which ones you want. Like I said, these are in the wrong spot. They'll be much easier to get down here. There you go. And that's what they'll be like. I got to get that size and more of that size. And then we'll have that done. And I just took a board and made a platform. I just glued everything together. Then put some caulking in between to make it a little sturdier. That's going to be great. Now then, this is something else I made right here. Because when I'm working on this table, if I'm twisting stuff around, it tears the paper. And I want to leave the paper on for protection, naturally. So what I did is just took a piece of wood, took some old wheels I took off of, I don't even know what they came off of. I always save wheels. And put them in a board, and now this thing I can sit on the top of here. I can twist stuff around. If I'm sanding on something or something, I use that sanding table I made there. Stick that on there. I move it around. Don't have to worry about it tearing up the paper. So that's what we've been up to today, I think. And I'm just going to throw this little video on there in between all the other videos that we are making. But y'all have a good day and subscribe. Yeah, that's just sewer. That's just pipe. Regular plastic pipe. That's all it is. Cut into different lengths, glued together. And I think it'll work. I'll bet it's a lot cheaper than the wire cannon they sell on the old internet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Maybe even drop me a comment. I do read all the comments you put on here. It will help my channel greatly.